Hey everybody, today I'm showing you this cool USB 3.2 Gen 2 SSD. It's a 1 TB SSD. It's a dual design, so you can connect it to USB and USB-C. It also has the read and write speed of 1950 MBS, so it's pretty fast. You can use it with your iPhone 16, your MacBook, your other devices that have a USB-C connection. These guys were kind enough to send me this to review. Let's see what's inside. I've not opened this before, so this is the first time. This is what you get. Looks like a flash drive. It's a little bit heavier than a regular flash drive, I would say. There's a zinc alloy construction. You have these two heads here. This protects it. See it from this side as well. You have your USB here, so you can use it really like a flash drive, except that it has a very good performance of 1950 read and write speed, which we are going to test. It's very solid. Seems very well built. As far as the size, do like that. Comparing this to a regular flash drive, about the same size. It's a little bit heavier, but it has two heads, so that's very convenient. You can use it with all kinds of devices. And it's also, this is plastic and this is metal, so that's another difference. Now this is the weight. Let's change the unit to something that's just pounds. 1.35. Now, a regular flash drive is just about 1/4 of that, something like that. So it is a little bit heavier, but it's metal. It's also a SSD, has fast performance, it has 1 TB of storage space. I am using one of these laptops that have these USB-C ports. One of the benefits of having something like this is I don't have to use another cable to connect this. And it's plug and play. Just say allow accessory to connect, and that's about it. So it just shows up here. I have my videos that I created for my channel here, and I'm going to test that. Let's see what we get. Read speed seems to be as advertised, and that's the write speed. They do advertise this as numbers that are very close to that. I'm doing another test. I'm also getting the temperature of this. Let's see if it's getting too warm or not. This is the hardest part. I've been testing this for a few minutes now, doing a read and write test and also transferring files. And this is the temperature. It gets close to 100 sometimes in this area, not the whole thing, but the rest remains about 92 to 95 degrees. This entire thing is about 8 GB. Let's transfer this. About 10 seconds, maybe a little bit less. 3 files. These are videos that I've posted on my channel. Now I've done transfer from this to that laptop, and it took about 10 seconds for about 8.5 to 9 gigs of data. Now I want to move that same folder that I did, and it's right there. It has these files. These are my videos that I did on YouTube, and I'm going to transfer those back in there. Let's see how long that takes. First, I'm going to connect it here. I am going to time this, so I grab this here. These are 4K videos. These are the sizes here that you see. I'm going to give similar stats as advertised, about 1,000 megabytes per second, and that should be about 930, 950. That's what's advertised, give or take. You can go up higher, lower. It is pretty fast. I've seen some drives that advertise as having some sort of a speed that's insane, but then when you test it, it's 1/3 of that. This is not the case with this one. Based on my test, I've been doing it for a couple of days now with different computers, and I get similar results. Maybe sometimes 935, maybe sometimes 939, but it's in the same range. You can use this with Windows, with your Android device. Let's just do it like that. This is the flash drive. All the files that I have are available there. My write test, which I just did, and these are the files that I transferred. This is a chess robot I covered on the channel a while ago. the drive that I transferred it was a regular hard drive and it's very slow. Whereas with this one, it took just seconds to transfer it. You can also use this for editing your videos. You can store your files here, and that might even improve the performance if you're going from a regular hard drive. Just plug and play, just connect it here, and it will show up there. There we go, the files that I opened there. So this is a coffee machine that I tested. Again, not a small file, but it opens it. It's 4K video. I only shoot 4K video. You should be able to use this with your iPad as well, as long as it has a USB-C port, or your iPhone. Already works fine with Android, Windows, macOS. If I go to my files, this is on my iPad. I have the same write test folder that I showed you guys, that I copied to test to see the speed, how many seconds it took. Plug and play this flash drive. I can go to my, select this option to share it, let's say to files, go to my folder here and just save it there, and it just happened very quickly. There we go. So this was a video that I took for the GGI Mic Mini, and it transferred it immediately. When you connect this, you're going to see the disk here has my files that I just showed you guys that I transferred to my Mac. Open with that. I'm playing this from the flash drive here.
I let it play against itself for 2 games. This is the second. You can find the other one on the channel.
This thing has a very compact design, so you can easily fit in your pocket. Fits in the palm of your hand. And this protects this head, which is a little bit smaller, and you're gonna be careful, but this sort of protects it. It works as a hood for it. And when you need it, just open it. There we go. For more information, please go to gadgetify.com, also youtube.com/gadgetify. These guys sent me this to review, so if you want to support them, check the description to see where you can buy this. Thanks for watching.